Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to share a week in my life with you guys, from Monday to the next Sunday. And it's a typical week. It's a typical school week. Currently I'm doing a management development program with Mandel Training Center. So we go once a week every month. So this is that week in April. The management development program is characterized by presentations from experienced facilitators, group discussions, group assignments, individual assignments, and on this particular day, we were doing group discussions on self-brand enhancement, giving reference to particular examples in Zimbabwe and the world at large. At some point. Okay.
When you say integrity, the first we need to when what's the name? Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. So some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so.
The hair, is it giving what it's supposed to be giving? I don't know, but I love it Time after lunch is usually reserved for group presentations, and for the presentations we're usually shuffled into groups, which allows us to mix and mingle with the various professionals that have also enrolled for this management development program.
Mr. Mazaro, to your point, is living a legacy. If there is no legacy, then where is your success?
It's home time. Today was such a fruitful day. I loved the lessons on personal brand. It's like it came at the right time while we are still trying to build a brand over here. Yeah. Anyway, let's go home. 'Cause one with you is majority. So up, I have to pass through work just to check on things. So I'm on my way now. Well, I don't really have to, but there's something that I want to see that is happening today, and I feel like if I miss this chance, it might be a long time until I see it happen again. So I'm rushing. The guys have said that they've started, so that's where I'm at. I'm almost there. So yeah. Wow. So this was my first time seeing a milling machine operating in my whole construction life. So I was so excited about it. So a road milling machine is also known as an asphalt milling machine, and it is a piece of equipment that is used to remove and recycle existing surfaces that can be asphalt or concrete road surfaces. It works by grinding and milling the surface layer of the road, thereby collecting the milled material, which can then be reused or recycled. When it is in operation after milling, it leaves a rough surface that can be overlaid with new asphalt or other materials. Now, road milling is commonly used for road maintenance and rehabilitation, which was what we're currently doing in this particular instance. It's a Tuesday. Hi, loves. Let's go to school.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wake he was holding me to the right, what it will be in front of me.
Exact. Get don't try and keep him within. Keep tricking.
Hi guys, Masera saying. So today is Tuesday, the 8th of April. It's the end of the day and I'm done with school. I'm sure I mentioned earlier that I am doing a management development program with Mandel Training Center, and one of the this week so we do lessons once every month. So we go for like 1 week once ish. We go for a week every month. You get what I'm trying to say. So yesterday we had an interesting topic. I'm calling it interesting because it came at a time when I really was able to receive the message that the facilitator was trying to send. So I don't like being off center, so I'm trying to move to the center, but anyway, that's another story. So the facilitator was talking, the course title was self-brand enhancement, and the facilitator was basically explaining from what a brand is up to what you should do to enhance your brand, the do's and don'ts, what makes a brand fail, live long, legacies and whatnot. But sorry, I'm looking down. It's because I am looking at some notes that I made down yesterday. So the facilitator stressed on a brand always creating value for its audience. He stressed on the fact that when people decide to follow you, or when people decide to engage with your content or engage with you as a brand in real life, it's because they see some value. They see something in you that they want to associate themselves with. So he stressed on the point that you always need to make sure that you give your audience the value that they came for. If you're someone who's into jokes, or if you're someone who's into cooking, or if you're someone who's into motivation, always ensure that you give your audience the motivation that they came to get from your platform or from you in person. He also stressed on the fact that you always need to be authentic in in whatever it is that you do, because we all know that you can always spot a fake when you come across one. So he stressed on the fact that you need to embrace yourself and present the most authentic self to your audience. Okay. And then sorry for that. He also said something about how everything that you do as a brand is a step towards your future or your ultimate vision. So once you start or you choose to specialize in something as a brand, you need to make sure that your mission, your day-to-day activities support that vision, so that at the end of the day, your brand, you live your brand basically. And he basically gave examples of people who have lived their brand. People like, I know some of them may not be popular, but people like your Robert Mugabe, people like your Muka daughters, and people like, a lot of examples. I'm not going to go much into it, but he explained how those people lived their brand from the day that they became a brand or whatever. I don't know, guys, but he said that you need to live your brand, because basically extraordinary in life belongs to those who create extraordinary. It's not something that just comes along. It's because you've put in the work. It's because you've done everything that you need to do. You've done everything in line with your mission to make sure that you get to the vision, So I think that was a really touching topic, or inspirational topic, because for me, number one, it reminded me of something that one of the people who are special in my life have told me time and again. I remember when this person came into my life, they said that I'm presenting myself as I am to you. It's up to you to accept me with my foolishness or with my whatever it is that I'm doing, or you just let me be, because life is too short to pretend to be something that I'm not, So I've had people come into my life tell me that, and I've over the past few days, I've been constantly worried about what I'm going to present to you guys. I've been constantly worried what I'm going to share about my life. I've been constantly worried about the advice that I'm going to give to you, because I believe I can offer that in terms of advice. You know why? Because I've realized that there are so many lessons that I get to learn, and there are so many lessons that even you get to learn, and we might always be, through my platform, we might get a chance to exchange ideas and tell each other, how do you do this, how do you deal with that? Because I believe the challenges that I face in my life, some of them I don't even know the answers, but some of them you actually see them through my videos, and some of you can actually approach me with with solutions. So yeah, that's what I believe I have to offer. I can't say I've got a lavish lifestyle that you guys will want to see every day. No. Maybe someday, but it's not my brand. My brand is, I want to, okay, that's for another video. But before I cut this off, I just want to encourage all of us to come together and help each other. As people in different industries, people in the same industries, people who've experienced each other's pains. Like when I tell you that I've gone through this, maybe you've gone through something similar. Feel free, guys, to come into my inbox and always share life hacks on how to go through this life thing, because it's not easy. It's not easy to do it alone, and I've grown to learn that the hard way. So yeah, guys, thank you for the love, thank you for everything. I love you so much. Mwah. Let me go home. Oh, actually, I'm going past that anyway. It's fine. So So after school, I started my journey back home. But before I went back home, I had to pass through work just to check up on things. This particular day was emotionally taxing, and I just don't even remember what it was, but it sort of affected the rest of my day and how the next day went, to such an extent that I didn't shoot much content on the following day. Good morning. So today is a Thursday, and it's one of those days where I know I am definitely not going back home today. Why? You'll find out soon enough. So in construction, you have got those pressure points where you have to make something happen, whether you like it or not. Like, it's a non-negotiable. So today is one of those days where I have come from home already prepared, mindset prepared, essentials prepared to do I can't say 24-hour shift, but something like that. So I've carried my clothes, I've carried my warm clothes, I've carried food, I've carried all the things that I need to be able to survive such a time. So yeah, let's get into it, and then I'll take you through, because first I'm supposed to go to school and then figure it out during the day.
NT, you made this?
Hi loves, so welcome to part 2 of my day. It's currently 4:53 in the afternoon, and I'm starting my second shift. This is 10:10. And as you can see, we are still at work. So I am still at work, and we're anticipating to finish around 8 a.m. in the morning. So excuse me for the noise. I am currently at the plant. Construction means noise, by the way. Anyway, so yeah, I wear, FYI, I wear these bonnets to keep my hair clean, as the environment is usually a dust environment. So Njizozho, guys, 2:22 now. So on this particular day, it was very cold, guys, to such an extent that I had to go back to the car time and again just to keep warm. The clothes that I had carried, the essentials that I had carried earlier in the morning, were not adequate to protect me from this type of cold. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I was also shocked with the amount of traffic that was already there by 5 a.m. in the morning. Human traffic started building up around 4:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I was shocked that this many people belong to the 5 o'clock gang. Anyway, the early bird catches the fattest worm. So this marks the end of my 24-hour shift. I'm now on my way home, but before I go home I have to pass by the cake shop and get the cake that I bought for my brother and for my father. Their birthdays are almost the same day, so we get one cake. I am so exhausted and I am glad I had this head knit, otherwise my hair would have been brown by now. Anyway, this is some of the things that you go through as a construction industry person. Sometimes it be like this. Anyway, let's go to the cake shop. So I got the cake from DC Cakes. It's popular on Instagram. I don't know, I'll put their handle in this video. So I can't wait to see if they're worth the hype, but they've been getting good reviews. So I got a medium cake, half chocolate, half what is the other one called? The red one, red velvet. Half red velvet, and then it's a medium-sized cake, and it was going for $65. So yeah, let's wait and see. For someone who's been on such a long shift, I have too much energy. Anyway, good morning. So today is Saturday and well, it's afternoon now already. It's afternoon now already. So I was so exhausted, guys. Yesterday I got home around, I think it was around 11. I slept from 11 and up until 6 p.m. And then I went for a family thing, something. And then I came back. I slept around 11 p.m. Then yeah, I woke up today. So today just feels like it's going to be a good day, and I'm so happy because my brother is back from school now and we get to hang around for the few days that we're going to be in Harare. Yeah, so let's see what today has got in store for us. And this is the day that the Lord has made, so I will rejoice and be glad in it. Mwah. So this is the cake I got for my dad and my brother. Excuse the cardboard box, but I just had to disband it so that you guys can see it. I got it from DC Cakes. So because their birthdays are close to each other, we get one cake this year at least. So my brother turned the big 18 and my dad turned 55. I'm so grateful to God for the gift of life. I'm so grateful to God for giving each of them another year which we get to be a part of. So hi guys, so it's now, what time is it?
14:30.
It's now 14:30. So this is my baby brother with so much beard. He just turned 18. So we're on our way to the shops. We want to get some groceries, we want to get some fruits, we want to get some meat, we want to get some pizza because we're hungry. So come along with us. What are you doing? Bye bye.
some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me.
NT, you made this?
Wakasiyana nini uri pasapo? Uchero. So I am on my way to the ATM now. I am on my way to the ATM now. I'm exhausted, but so I sent my brother to buy pizza for 2 people. For two people, being me and him. And this boy, or this man rather, goes on to buy a mega sized meat deluxe for 2 people. Do you want to share pizza? So this is what I bought from the tuck shops. I bought 3 Cervitas. They were going for $3 each. 2 corn and wheat. And 1 chocolate. I also bought these detergent. I bought this in bulk because we want to go for my mother's nyarazo, so we'll use some of these. I also got a Dettol soap as change. I bought these wipes for myself. And then I bought a pack of maputi because we love maputi here. So we also went to the dairy shop and got these things. We got this milk in 250 ml sachets because I'm the only one, or maybe my brother, who uses the milk. So we'd rather buy small sachets so that we avoid wasting the bigger bottles. We also bought Fun Fresh passion fruit. It's a 1 liter, I don't know, 1 liter by 6 years. Then we bought these 2 cartons of milk. These ones are for my mother's nyarazo. We're going with them Komosha when we go for the nyarazo. So we bought 12 liters of milk. Then I got this carton of yogurt, banana flavor, because my dad likes yogurt. So at the dairy shop, the packaging is not so good. The prices are good though. So I would just then take out the box, clean out my containers, and then pack them in the fridge. Value for money. So we eat pizza while we're unpacking. We eat because we are what? We are hungry. So these are all the things that I bought from Pick and Pay. We bought some buns, air freshener, chicky chili. Chicky chili is a favorite in this house. Vim toilet detergent. I bought some lemon juice because I'm tired of making the, what is it called, ginger shots from scratch. I bought some biscuits, some spices, cheese, a bit of ice cream for my brother. We got some energy drinks because we've got some reading to do, both of us. Some chips, bread, buns, some meat, and obviously some plain scones. I really love plain scones because of a colleague of mine who used to bring them at work. So I guess this is basically everything that I bought. So this is everything that I got from the Musika or market. So I'll show you. I'm not going to put it all out of the plastic bags because it will be difficult for me to unpack. But I got these green peppers for $1, these peas for $1, and then I got these cucumbers for $4. Then I got these oranges. I got these oranges for, they were going for $1 for 2, so I got $1 for 4, so I got 8, which cost me $2. I also got this avocado. They were going for $1 for 2 because these are my favorite, by the way. I bought this pack of butternut for $3. I got these. They're my dad's favorite. I got them for $1 for 6. Then I got these. I'm going to just tear this. I got these tomatoes. This whole plastic bag of tomatoes for $2. $2, guys. And then I got these 2 bunches of tsunga for $1 for 2. This is my favorite, by the way. And then I also got these pineapples for $1.50 for 1. The last 2 things that I got these grapes for $1. And then I bought this honey. I bought honey from Musika because I went into Pick n Pay and it was costing me $6. So I got this for $3 because I know a lady who sells genuine honey in the market. Then I got some apples for 50 cents. They were $3. For these 3 were going for 75 cents, I think. Yeah, that is it from the market. So just got some bad news that my dad had an accident. So I looked for a recovery truck. Now I'm on my way to the accident scene. But if there's anything that this year has taught me, it's to be strong, This year is just crazy. Yeah. I just hope he's okay. And I just hope he's okay. So yeah, I'm on my way there. Oh, thank you.
Ndikadota risati dombo rambobve pika nekukura kwarakaita ka